A short pictorial of Phillipsburg, Montana, a beautiful old town. Phillipsburg, Montana is just south of Missoula. It's an old town and they've restored a lot of the buildings there. The historic value cannot be underestimated, and it's a fascinating place to spend some time, whether it's an afternoon or a couple of days exploring the beautiful old buildings or the surrounding exquisite countryside. Phillipsburg is definitely a place you should put on your bucket list. I hope you enjoy the pictures. I certainly enjoyed my time there. One of the things that I realized while I was there is that we have tremendous amount of history here in this western part of the United States. It's nothing like the history of Europe or Asia, but it has a deep cultural significance that we need to remember and embrace. Our history here will teach us about where we've come from, where we are, and where we're headed. So when you're there, take the time to learn a bit about the history. It's really fascinating, and it'll give us all a better understanding of how we got where we are today and our vision of the future.
So I hope you liked this video. If you did, go ahead and hit the like button if you would down below, and if you have a comment, go ahead and leave that below as well, or if you have some questions about what we do here, go ahead and leave those and I'll answer them as soon as I can. And if you'd like to be informed of when we put up a new video and you find the channel interesting, go ahead, hit the subscribe button, and I'll see you on the next video. You have a great day.